Alright, what's up, y'all? We back again. It's Monday. We here for a live stream. Before we get started, I'll post that we live. Mm, mm, mm. Alright, so the first thing we do is we check the news for the day to see what's coming up. So we have news coming in 10 minutes. So what I usually do is wait for after news to start trading. This one doesn't really matter because it's at 2 p.m. It's a little bit further out. So before we get started, one thing we're gonna do is log into all my accounts to show y'all everything is the same from the last live streams. So sign into all these right here. Okay, dashboard, and as you can see, everything is the same from last time. Just waiting for another setup. So everything is the same. This isn't accurate. Like I talk about all the time, the actual drawdown is 3.6, somewhere around there, 3.7. Next account we have is definitive funding account. All right, so we go to accounts right here. As you can see, everything is the same right here. We're almost down to losing this account, so we haven't lost it yet, but everything is the same for this account. And then if we go to the last account right here, go to dashboard. Gonna wait for this to load. So everything is the same from last stream. So just an update from last week. We only took one trade, which ended up being a break even. So that's the only thing we had so far since we've been doing these live streams. So we have news at 9:45. So we're gonna be waiting a little bit more, but in the meantime, we're gonna be analyzing the charts to see what's going on and stuff like that. Um, I'm gonna be switching to more lower time frame entries as well, so I can get more trade opportunities throughout the year as well. But the analysis is all the same and everything, so Let me start from the top to see what gold is doing. Gold, I can automatically see it's not ready for a lower time frame, but I know it's probably ready for a higher time frame. But if we go to like the daily or something, overall we're like bullish. We have bullish structure. We had a breakdown for the purpose of re-breaking higher, so that shows bullish structure. So the next time frame, so I'm about to be using like a 5 minute time frame for entries. Um, so the next time frame we can go to check the context of the market and see what is known as the 5 hour. So before I even jump down to the 5 minute, and what I can automatically see is we're in this like flush type of state, which means gold is not ready for the lower time frame. So what I would need is the price to pop up a bit more, make a clean pause, right, to show that it's even ready to look at this at like a 30-minute validation time frame. But right now, it's not ready. So put gold in red, not ready right now. I just added Bitcoin to the list because I quickly took a peek at it. I ain't gonna lie, I took a peek at it. But I actually did like Bitcoin. Let me look at it real quick. If we look at the actually, nah, I don't really too like Bitcoin now that I really look at it. The reason why I don't like Bitcoin yet is even when we're looking at this context time frame, look at the breaks of structure. The breaks of structure, we had first, second, third, fourth, we had the re-break higher, and then we immediately moved lower. So right now, it just shows us we're in distribution, which means like on a short-term bearish trend for me. And we can look for confirmations on that on the higher time frame. Like if we go on the daily, yeah, it's not ready. Yeah, delete all that. So we're gonna keep that in red. Let's see what this market is doing right here. First, one, two. I know this market is not ready either. Wrong time frame. Yeah, I could tell this market isn't ready. What about GBP CAD? GBP CAD is not ready as well. We're in this flush state, so we have to wait for the cycle to restart. So I just need like this pop above like that to show that price wants to go higher and start a new potential cycle. Silver, the same thing. We're in this flush state. Need proof that it wants to pop above before going on the lower time frames. Euro NZD, same thing right here. We're in this flush type of state. Need some real proof that it wants to go higher. This don't even want to take a look at it. And yeah, none of these markets right here look good. Euro USD, doesn't look too good right now. That's what I would basically need. So in conclusion, there's like nothing is actually ready for me to trade today. So yeah, we have gold, Bitcoin, all that. What I'm gonna do is quickly use this tool called the Mentaflex structure. I mean, not structure, but a sentiment tool to take a look at some other markets that I could potentially trade. I wonder if I'm able to trade some stocks on this account. Let me see if they do offer that. This whole time I could trade some stocks. What? I didn't know I could trade some stocks. Hold on now. Hold on. This whole time I could have found a lot of oh, these ones don't have stocks. Wait a minute. Trade some stocks? I didn't even know that. Let me see what Tesla talking about. We could trade some stocks. 'Cause- 'cause this is not even it, Tesla. Tesla. Is it the right one too? Yeah, hold on. Yeah. Damn, just when I want to trade it, it's not even a good context right now. I coulda. Wow. Okay, Tesla ain't ready. We're gonna take a look at some stocks. I did not know that. Let me see what Apple doing. Let's take a look at Apple. Let me make sure Apple even is on it too. Let me make sure. Oh, I do have stocks. Okay, but Apple. Okay, not in a great context. Uh, yeah, it's not in a great context right here. All the stocks are not in a great context. Just skipping through stocks. Like, not in a great context. I think all the stocks are down right now. I'll try to let me see what's in here. Check all these. What's this right here? This is down. That's the overall context of this market. Bullish. Hmm. What's this right here? Okay. Context moving higher. Okay. This looks like it could set something up. I should probably organize these. I know I got this title Forex. I don't even got Forex, just Forex pairs. Just put like something like eyeing, uh, looking. Yeah. Let me. Yeah. I feel weird now. I probably should have. Let me just. Actually, let me organize this. I'm again. Then I'm gonna delete everything. That's not. Gold is almost ready. Do I have this on here? But I don't even have that. Damn, I don't even have that. And it was looking good. Let me make sure. No, I don't have that stock. I can trade that. Back. Show some movements. Okay, I can trade that. Let me see what's going on. Yeah, doesn't look too good. Doesn't look like barely looks like it's falling. Yeah, all the stocks are pretty much down. I don't know. The random stocks that are going up. I'm gonna try to look at one more. If I don't see it, then I'm gonna just end the live because there's nothing to do. Uh, I don't know what Shopify doing. Okay, it might be something here. Let me get rid of this. It might be something here. Let me go on the 5 hour. See what we're doing. We were making bullet structure. We're moving higher. Let me make sure I even have this. I'll trade this. Damn, I can't even trade Shopify. Oh, you don't have all stocks. Damn. All right, for that, I'm gonna just try one more. All right, so I'm gonna just end up ending the live stream because everything that I'm looking at don't look good. Even the stocks. I just figured out I could trade some stocks. Oh, what's up, man? So I'm ending the live stream. I don't see anything that's in good context to trade. Uh, only I figured out I could trade some stocks, but the stocks are not looking good for me to trade. So I'm gonna end the live stream early. And yeah.